Hello and welcome to the Trade Ideas Market Recap for Wednesday, November the 12th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of the trading room. This is the address to get into the room, and you can log in with your Facebook or your Twitter account. All right, let's get to the trades of the day. And only traded three. Well, I traded three stocks. One of them twice. Um, Bit of a quiet day for me. I actually had a few more emails to answer today and some other distractions. And my one long-term hold finally is breaking through. So that kind of got me interested. So I'll talk about that a little bit later. The first one was AKRX, and this came on this particular alert. And this is the same. I'll expand it. Low volume bounce alert. And again, here's my normal bounce alert, my 5 minute bounce alert. And all I've done here is I've just sort of relaxed the volume requirement down to 200,000 shares. This one is at 500,000 shares, and it works. It works pretty good at the beginning because sometimes stocks, are just gearing up. So I take a closer look at these ones at the beginning of the day rather than later in the day. So anyway, AKRX 945 3408, and that would have been 3408 is right here, right, in fact, right there. So here's where I got the alert. Three red candles down. Watched it. It did not go through 34, the whole number. I was talking about that in the room. Did not go through the whole number. And basically, I took the trade here a little bit. I mean, look, ideally, yeah, I should be taking it over this candle here. And in fact, I was chasing this one, but it just looked like it was strong. And so I took the trade right here at 34.33. I exited half on this candle up here. You can see a big doji on this one, 34.64. And then on this candle right there, the last half at 34.43. So quick trade, 31 cents on one and 10 cents on the other. Again, these are 5 minute candles, so everything is done probably within about 15 minutes. The next trade, and this was very exciting, and I have to watch this one for tomorrow. Now, this came on the new strategy that I'm still testing, and I got to be honest with you that I missed it. The first alert for this particular stock came at, believe it or not, $2.01. So right at the open. This is where it opened, and right here. In fact, let's see now. That's probably 9:30. So it was right here at the open, and I got the alert, and I didn't act on it. The on this new strategy, I've been really paying more attention to the higher price stocks, but I did notice that yesterday that a couple of the cheap ones really ran also pretty well. But I did miss this one. It just went too quickly. But I took it again because at 2:01, let me just see, I got another alert. What I'm doing on this one is I'm only seeing these alerts once every hour. I'm going to that's a feature. Just in case you don't know, that's a feature within. This is not the alert, but view mode, don't repeat for, and you can choose don't repeat ever. You don't, and in which case you'd get the alert the first time for the day. Actually, for the day is what you should do because I think ever means literally forever. But if you only want to see the alert the first time and that's it, you don't want things that are making new highs, and they could make a new high every second. So that's typically where you would use this sort of a feature on the don't repeat ever or the don't repeat. But you can choose 1 minute, 5 minutes. I've chosen on that one 1 hour. I may relax it to say 5 minutes now, just to see what's happening on because I may have picked up that one. Let me just cancel out of that. I may picked up that one at because I sort of rambling here. I'm sorry. The next alert came in at $2.38. So it came in right here. I took the trade at 238. It's very difficult to see here. I scalped it basically. I got out at 248, and this is at 240. This arrow should be over right there actually. And so that was just a scalp. And again, I'm not comfortable yet with the strategy on lower price stocks. I mean, I'm not overly comfortable on the higher price stocks yet. And when I say overly comfortable, I just haven't tested it long enough. Now, you can see here. Now, I probably would have had an alert here. No, maybe not. Um, because it is an hour later. I'd have to check to see why I wouldn't have gotten an alert right here on this one. But I did get the third alert for this stock at right here. I took it at 311 and I scalped it up to 326. Now, on this particular time, I scalped it because my level two was really lagging, and I couldn't tell what the bid was. I could tell what the price was, but I couldn't tell what the bid was. And I just got a lack of self-confidence, I guess, in that not wanting to see the bid ask just fall on me on something that has moved so dramatically. So I decided that I was going to be cautious, and I just took the almost immediate profit on it. Now, I mean, this thing is really running. I think tomorrow we have to watch this. Let's take a look on the daily chart to see what's up on here. And well, we're up to this level here, so that's was a bit of resistance maybe. Certainly up to here. So this could have another one. I have no idea what happened today. I haven't read the news on it, but look at the staggering volume. Market still has an hour left in it. 10.9 million shares. I mean, yesterday it did 230,000. So, and that's typically does way less than 1 million shares a day. So, I will watch this tomorrow just to see what's happening. Last one to go over is Resi. This did not work. Let's see, was that a? Just trying to, yeah, that was on my bounce play. Yeah, 2003 it came in, and at 1124. So let me just see. Back up a little bit, I think. Hmm. Oh, sorry. I'm on the daily chart. I was trying to figure why is it not annotated? There we go. So here it is, 2003 down to here, held the whole number, thought, okay, this got a good shot. Took it at 2008. It actually ran up to 2017. Obviously, it could have got up to 2042, which would have been a nice risk reward, basically 8-cent risk on it. But when it got up here, I had said to the room that if it got back down to 2008, I would be out of it, and that's what I did. I got out basically at my buy, so there was no gain on that one, just basically a small commission loss. And now the one that's making me really happy, MGNX. Oh boy, yes, looks like it might close at the top. This is one, if you've been following my videos since last April, let's just show you a daily chart of this one. Daily chart. Yeah, this is chopped around really badly. Let's go back to April. Back to April. Yeah, you see, this had a big steep decline. You can't see it up here, but it was actually up to $40. Had a big decline. So we were playing this as some kind of this is a biotech, and it's getting some interesting looks. It's had some buy recommendations from a few outfits. And so, I was looking for eventually some kind of a day in which we'd see this, it rise $4 or $5 and maybe get back up to the levels. But it's been a tough hold, I have to tell you. But today they had a conference call yesterday, and obviously it's been well received. And you can see that it's just popped up 255. My average is 21.43. So now I'm up a little. What am I up about $2.30 on it? So now I will hold it. If it comes back down, I may sell some and hope it comes back down a little bit more and pick it up again, because I think maybe now it can start these multi-day runs or multi days in which the stock jumps several dollars a day. Okay, and I don't know when that can happen, but at least now I am somewhat vindicated for such a long hold for me, because I don't generally swing trades. So that's it. So again, let's take a look at VGL and see what's happening. 380, it's still hanging tough here. No big sell-off yet. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, a little bit of a flag for me here, but still, if this holds here, what are we, 3 hour or an hour left? I just might take this at the end of the day as long as it can hold up in this area. If it collapses down to here, there's no way I'm taking it. But if it holds in this area, near the high, this is something that I'll certainly look at and hope we get one more continuation day on it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for listening. And let me just bring back the cover page. Here's how you get into the room. And I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow.